Hey, if you've ever wondered how to separate legit crypto projects with strong fundamentals from the endless hype coins out there, today's video is for you. Because, let's be honest, the crypto space is full of noise, and if you don't know how to filter it, you'll end up chasing pumps and losing money. But don't worry, I've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to identify solid projects that can stand the test of time. And I'll show you how a tool like ZenChain AI makes this process faster, easier, and way more profitable. Here's the reality. Most people lose money in crypto because they jump in late. They hear about a project after the whales have already pumped it, and by the time retail investors pile in, the smart money is already cashing out. So the question is, how do you avoid being late? How do you spot legit projects before the hype? And how do you know which ones have strong fundamentals? Let's start with the basics. A legit crypto project usually has clear utility. What problem does it solve? Is it just a meme, or does it bring real value? Strong team. Transparent founders, proven track record, and active development. Community and adoption. Growing user base, active social channels, and partnerships. Tokenomics. Fair distribution, sustainable supply, and incentives that make sense. Transparency, open source code, clear roadmap, and regular updates. If a project ticks these boxes, it's worth a deeper look. But here's the catch. Doing this research manually takes hours. You'd have to scroll through Twitter, Discord, Telegram, CoinMarketCap, and endless white papers. That's where most traders give up. Now, here's the secret sauce. Instead of guessing, follow the smart money. Whales, the big players with millions in crypto, know something we don't. They move early, and their wallets tell the story. This is where ZenChain AI comes in. It tracks whale wallets across Ethereum, Solana, and other chains in real time. You can literally see what they're buying, what they're dumping, and how much conviction they have in a project. Imagine this. You log in, and within minutes, you see that whales injected $48,000 into a project with only 3,000 holders. That's a signal worth investigating. Instead of chasing hype, you're spotting opportunities backed by serious capital. ZenChain AI doesn't just show you wallet activity, it gives you Market Overview Dashboard, Total Market Cap, BTC Dominance, Sentiment Heat Maps. Whale Tracker. Real-time buys and sells across top wallets. Wallet research. See what whales are holding long-term. Meme coin scanner. Spot pumps early, but with caution. AI sentiment analysis. Pulls data from millions of social accounts to gauge bullish or bearish trends. Instead of spending hours piecing this together, you get it all in one place. And the best part? You don't need to be a chart expert or a blockchain developer. It's built for both beginners and pros. Here's how you use it. Log into ZenChain AI. Check the whale tracker for new buys. Dive into token details, contract, charts, sentiment. Decide if fundamentals align with the smart money moves. Swap in, aim for a 2x, and then play with house money. That's it. No endless guessing, no chasing influencers, just data-driven decisions. Students using ZenChain AI have reported flipping small amounts into thousands within days. And remember, this isn't about gambling. It's about cutting research time and making smarter moves. Right now, access is available for less than the cost of dinner and a movie. But this offer won't last forever. If you're serious about finding legit crypto projects with strong fundamentals, this is your chance to get in early. So, if you're tired of wasting hours scrolling through hype and want a proven way to spot the best crypto projects, give ZenChain AI a try. It's like having a crystal ball into the markets, showing you what whales are buying, what they're selling, and which projects have the fundamentals to last. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto insights, and drop a comment below with the projects you're researching right now. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, trade smart, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.